A very good morning to dear scholarites. At the previous video, we had studied about the eclipses and shadows. Now we are going to study about reflection from your chapter number 14, Dimensions of Light of your Discovering Science book. So what is reflection? What is Rob Bonham is saying? He is saying that what you see in the mirror is called an image. You all use mirror while you are getting ready for the school, right? And you see your image on the mirror. What is that? That is a reflection of yourself. So, an image is formed when the light from an object falls on any smooth surface like the mirror. Since the surface is smooth, light bounces back and changes its path. When the light reaches on our eye, we can see the image of the object. Thus, the phenomena of bouncing back of light is called reflection of light. Just underline this definition of reflection of light. Okay, when we are standing in front of the mirror, then we see our image. How? Because the light reflects from the smooth surface of the mirror towards our eye, and we are able to see our image is known as reflection. The light ray that falls on surface is called incident ray. So how many type of rays are there? Two type of rays. First is incident ray, second is reflected ray. Okay, incident is that ray that falls on the surface of the mirror, and when it bounces back towards our eyes, that is known as reflected ray. When the incident rays are parallel, the reflected rays are also parallel. It is the condition if the incident rays are parallel. If it is moving in a smooth motion, then the reflected rays will be also in a parallel motion. Okay, the reflection from the place surface is called regular reflection. Okay, what is regular reflection? When the incident ray is in parallel position, then reflected ray is also moving in parallel, and when it reflects back from the plane surface, that is known as regular reflection. Second type of reflection is diffuse reflection. What is that? The image becomes blurred due to irregular reflection of light rays. Irregular reflection are called, means if we are talking about the smooth reflection, that is a regular reflection, and if we are talking about the irregular reflection, then there will be not smooth surface, but there will be a irregular surface. So that what will be the result? We can't see the image clearly. Look here, this is the reflection from the smooth, and this is the reflection from the rough surface. If the mirror is smooth, then we will see the image very clear. If the surface of the mirror is irregular like this, then we will see the blurred image. Okay, now what is the lateral inversion? A phenomenon due to which the image of an object is laterally inverted to the mirror is called lateral inversion. Due to lateral inversion, the right portion of the object appears as left and left portion is right. Look here. Here is given the F letter. Okay, lateral inversion, its lateral inversion is this, the opposite part of F. Okay, any object that is placed in right, you will see at the left side. That is known as lateral inversion in plane mirrors. Okay, look here, it is a mirror and one cup is kept here. Now we will see that its image is looking like this, and it is looking like that the cup is inside that box, but no, it is on the outside. This is the lateral inversion, means we are seeing the fake image, that is not real. Okay,